Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the image in hand. First, open Google Images and make sure you're signed into your Google account if you want search history. Once done, drag the image into the search box or click the camera icon to upload. You can also right-click any image in Chrome and choose Search Image with Google. This immediate action begins the analysis. Make sure the file is clear and uncropped so Google can read details like text, logos, or landmarks. Once Google shows results, focus on refining. Click Tools and pick Size, Color, or Time Range to reduce noise. You'll see visually similar images. Open a few to compare context, captions, and surrounding text. Make sure to check All Sizes if you need original resolution. If the image is of a product or artwork, look for Shopping and Knowledge panel links. This detailed exploration reveals provenance and alternate versions, so you can, to finish, follow promising source pages, download higher quality copies, or copy the source URL for citation. If you're on mobile, use Google Lens inside the Google app or share the image to Chrome for a reverse search. If initial results are weak, crop out irrelevant borders, increase contrast, or save as JPG/PNG and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if Google finds nothing, cross-check with other reverse image tools, Bing, TinEye, or Yandex to catch matches Google missed. Verify facts before trusting a match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.